Zap mga ka-homies, andito tayo sa pinakamurang minimalist house na malapit sa Manila, Airport, and Alabang. Dito lang yan sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. This is John Anthony Batillar, your trusted homie realtor. Condominium style unit na may 3 bedroom at 1 toilet and bath. Minimalist house na may floor area na 40 square meter at lot area na may 50 square meter. Kaya meron kang space, sarap for 1 carport. Nasa loob ito ng isang complete township community na malapit sa church, school, market, hospital, and mall. Pasok ito sa Pag-ibig, bank, at in-house financing. Estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig ay 14,000 monthly. Kung nagustuhan mo ang property na to, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. Kaya huwag ka na magdalawang isip pa. Arat na!